This video, we're going to cover integrating WishList member with GoToWebinar. So to get started, go to Setup, Integrations, and then Other Services, and you'll see GoToWebinar in the list. Just click that, and you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this. Now, I've kind of already set this up, but we'll go through how to configure this. So click the Configure button. You'll need an authorization code. So you can click here to obtain an authorization code. When you click that, you'll be taken to a page like this. So you can simply copy this code here and copy it back into this authorization code spot and hit save and close. Once you do that, then the API will check real quick to make sure it's connected. Once it's connected, it will say connected. And then you simply go into settings, and for each membership level, you can click the link there, and you'll see a drop down of all the webinars that you've created in GoToWebinar. And so you can select a webinar. We'll just go ahead and select this one. Now what will happen is whenever someone is added to this membership level, they'll be registered for this webinar. And so then they'll get all of the reminder emails and all of the access links and everything that they're supposed to get for that particular webinar from GoToWebinar. So it really is that straightforward. Just get the APIs talking to one another and then select what webinars that you want them added to when they join a particular membership level. Of course, go into GoToWebinar and create those webinars. But as far as WishList member and GoToWebinar talking to each other, that pretty much is it. So that is integrating WishList member with GoToWebinar.